Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I have been covering these dino models from Facebook for quite some time and I was looking to do something unique with this Dino V2 Large, and then I stumbled upon this new project SPAR3D, which is simply amazing as it allows you to reconstruct 3D objects from single images. In this video, we are going to install this SPAR3D locally, and then we will play around with it in a Gradio demo, all local, all private. If you don't know what this Dino family of model is, please search my channel. And just to give you a very quick overview, this is a vision transformer model that has been trained using the Dino V2 method, which has been discussed a lot on the channel. So primarily it's a transformer encoder model which is bird-like, and it has been pre-trained on a large collection of images in a self-supervised fashion. Images are presented to the model as a sequence of fixed size patches which are linearly embedded. And then there is a lot of technical detail which you can find on the model card, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Coming back to this SPAR3D, this looks a really cool model as it's a cutting edge single image 3D reconstruction technology that boasts impressive speed and accuracy. First and foremost, it reconstructs 3D objects from a single image in just 0.7 seconds. If you go through their project page, you will see a lot of examples such as these ones. It generates highly detailed meshes with impressive fidelity, and you can see the comparison with other like Instant Mesh and SF3D. The technology allows users to make interactive edits using point clouds as an intermediate representations, plus it outperforms a lot of other models in the industry. It's a lightweight point diffusion model that generates sparse 3D point clouds from the input image, and then they are used to create highly detailed meshes. It has got two-stage design that enables probabilistic modeling of the ill-posed single image 3D tasks. So now you know a bit more about this. Let's try to get it installed and then we will see how it works. The good thing is that they also have given us this GitHub repo where all the code is present, which we can readily use and customize. Before I show you the installation, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AI Agent bot that lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Let me take you to my terminal where I am running this Ubuntu 22.04, and this is a GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 which I'm going to use for this video, which has 48 GB of VRAM. If you're also looking to follow along and want to have a GPU card, I will give you the link to Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, not only you will get the link in the description, but also a 50% discount coupon which you can use anytime, as many time as you like. So let's get started. First up, you would need to create a virtual environment and make sure you create it either with Python 3.8 or 3.9 because that is what is compatible with its repo. So let's wait for it to get created. And now let me install git clone the repo of it, and as I said, I will drop the link to it in video's description. Then we need to install all of the prerequisites, which simply include torch and few of the Gradio stuff and open computer vision, because that is what we are going to use in order to run this. And everything is installed now. Next up, all we need to do, we need to simply run our Gradio demo by simply using Python Gradio_app, and then we will access it in the browser at 7860. Let me run it. And first time when you are going to run it, it is going to download the model. Okay, so now it is running at our local host at port 7860. So let's go to localhost and then access it over there. Let's wait for it. There you go. So it is running. Let me make it a bit bigger so that we could be able to play with it. Okay, this is much better. There is a lot of text here. Now The good thing is that once you install it, not only you can have your own images, or you could also play around with some of the examples which they have given. So let's try out maybe with this chest here. So I just clicked on it, it has selected it, and then with some preview of background removal, which is good. Now let me run it. It is running at the moment. Where is it? Okay, let me make it a bit smaller then, so that we would see what is happening. There you go. So it is running here. I think it's already done. Let's wait for it. You see, you can also make the changes and all that stuff. Looks really good. Now this is the actual one. So there you go. So it is increasing the 3D model. Can I move it? Yes, I can. Cool. So I'm just moving it up and down. Looks really cool. So this is a 3D reconstruction of that image. And then you can also get the map, which is a HDR file, which you can use anywhere you like. And then it's a zip format too. Now you see that I have just made some changes like here and there. Maybe I'll just randomly then apply, and then you can even, I'll just like this and then rerun with the point cloud as I mentioned earlier in the intro. There you go. So there is another one with more greenish stuff, as you can see at the top. Good, very nice. So real good stuff. Let's quickly have a look at our VRAM consumption, how much VRAM it is consuming at the moment. So it is consuming just a tad bit over 12 gig of VRAM, which is not bad for such a good quality results. Nice. Okay, let's try out a few more examples. So I'm just going to click here at the X here. So now I am going to just select an image from my local system. I'll just go with the image of, maybe I'll go here, and then I have a directory of images. I'll just go there. Let me select one of them. So I just selected this image which I used earlier, and then I'm just going to click on remove background first. The background has been removed. That's good. And then we can simply run it to see what it generates. Let's wait for it. The speed is quite good. You see how good is that? So this is a point cloud, and this is where it is generating the 3D. Nice. Can I move it? Yep, I can. That's nice. Very nice. You see, this is really cool stuff. Very nice. And then you can get this HDR file for if you want to use it. And then you can of course change the point clouds. And then I'll just rerun it with point cloud. Very quick. You see, it has changed it. So pretty good stuff. You can imagine that I could just keep playing with it, but the quality of this is simply astounding. I'm very impressed by it. For example, let's look at this figure. Let's run it, and then let's see what it generates. Pretty cool. Look at this point cloud, and this is a 3D render. Very nice. And you can keep playing with it if you like. Simply amazing stuff. Very nice. So look, I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching and all the support. Highly appreciate that.